Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can remove extensions from your Google Chrome. If you land in any trouble or are having issues with any of your extensions, you can simply remove them from your browser. So let's see how it's done. First, let's open our Google Chrome. Now, the first way to remove any extension is simply by clicking on this extension button. Now, you can see your extensions. Now, to remove any extension, simply click on these three dots and then click on the Remove from Chrome option. Now, if you are removing this extension because it reported any issue or it violated any of the Google's terms and policies, so you can choose the Report Abuse button as well. If not, you can simply click on the Remove button. And here we go. The extension is no more to be seen. So it's removed successfully. Now, for some reason, if your extension does not show up in this particular tag, then what you need to do is simply click on these three vertical dots, then head on to the settings and click on the extensions tab. Here you can see that this extension did not appear in this button. These are the hidden extensions. And also this is not enabled. So to remove this, you can simply click on the remove button and hit the remove button. Now this extension is gone as well. You can also access this particular page by typing in this following path in your URL browser. Now like this, in the new tab, on the URL tab, you can type this particular line and hit enter, and it will redirect you to this particular page. So here we go. Now you have learned how to uninstall extensions from your Google Chrome. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button as well, comment on this video, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.